Good day! I'm Yul Grant Basilio, a freelance multimedia artist focusing on video editing, animation, and graphic design. A Bachelor of Multimedia Arts graduate from CIIT, College of Arts and Technology. I'm a virtual assistant to Complete Nursing and Healthcare, making their animation videos and layouts according to their guidelines on certain healthcare topics. I also do various projects for different brands and businesses like Bloom Creatives, Divine Lounge, and Psalms Musical Accessories, providing comprehensive marketing support and contents for them. I also manage the social media page, Facebook, for our church, and doing events design to give branding, promotion, and attend the experience of the event. My approach is characterized by reliability, adaptability, and collaborative spirit. With my diverse experience and dedication, I have developed a skill set ready for industry levels challenges. And I am committed to both expanding my knowledge and contributing my experience to the advancement of your company. So, I hope you can consider my job application. Thank you and God bless.